In this video, I'll be showing you how to add story highlights on Facebook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using Facebook on, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So all you want to do is open up your Facebook application, and then go over to the bottom right where it has your profile icon. Now you can add to story or anything like that, but it doesn't let you actually go ahead and start a story highlight. So what you're gonna have to do is press the three little dots on the top right, and the second option you're gonna see is add highlights. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's gonna show you any different stories that you've made. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get two random ones right now, and then all I wanna do is press next, and then once you do it, it's gonna say add highlight, and you can set it to public or anything like that. You can choose a cover, and on the top right, press done, and then your highlight is then going to be saved. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.